Bula, everybody. It's Baron Bruno at Professionals with our newest listing. Amazing 3-bed, 2.5 bath at my favorite place, the Terraces. Check out downstairs. We got a great half bath here, full laundry, gorgeous furniture, artwork, fully stocked kitchen, recessed light, fans and air cons in every unit. Gorgeous, amazing views. 2 outdoor patios. Let's come upstairs real quick. To find out more about this listing, go to professionalsfiji.com or call us at +679 999 2051 to get all the details and see the full video. Here is the ensuite, and look at that view. We look forward to hearing from you. Baraka.